Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're in the meeting, so start sharing now. First, make sure Teams has permission to record your screen. On Windows, check Settings. On Mac OS, grant permissions. Once done, click the Share Content icon in the meeting controls. It's the square with an up arrow. You'll immediately see options: entire screen, window, and PowerPoint Live. Choose the option that matches what you need to show. This keeps focus and avoids accidental exposure of other apps. Begin when ready. Now select the content precisely so participants see only what matters. If you have one app, choose Window to limit visibility. This prevents switching tabs from revealing private screens. If you're playing a video or audio, enable Include System Audio so sound routes to attendees. For multi-monitor users, check the monitor thumbnails and pick the exact screen number. Otherwise, you may present the wrong display. Make sure PowerPoint Live is used for slides to allow notes and thumbnails. Finish cleanly and handle problems quickly. When you're done, click Stop Presenting. That immediately returns control to the meeting. If you want collaboration, use Give Control so another participant can control your app. Revoke it anytime. If participants report frozen or black screens, first confirm you selected the right window, then stop and restart sharing. If problems persist, restart the Teams app and recheck screen recording permissions.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.